Hi students, your next paper is English, and one thing at present time I think is going on in the mind of all students, how to be a well prepared examinee. For this I think first get a clear understanding of the syllabus and exam pattern and create a realistic understanding of a study plan that covers all the subject and solve your previous question paper because it would be very helpful to you all to understand what the difficulty level of the question and to identify important topics. As you know, your English question paper contain three sections: reading, writing, and literature. And also prepare a plan within how many minutes you will solve your first reading skill, first section. And for reading section, the first read the passage carefully and study the question which is on the basis of your passage and underline the key points, sentences, words which is related to your passage because it would be very helpful to find out the answer of any question which is given on the basis of the paragraph or passage. And second, your writing skill with the grammar. The student's writing skill contain two topics. One is letter writing and second is an article paragraph. The set the format of the letter and how you have to start the body of the letter. Suppose you have to write a letter to the editor. In the body of letter, you should write first through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I would like to draw the attention of the authority. In this way, you should have a plan for your an article paragraph. Third is your literature section. The students, it is not possible to read line wise all the chapters of your English. So this is why I think you should prepare the summary of the chapter and the theme of the poem. When you set these two things, you can write answer of any question of your any chapter. And student, last one things, when you are your exam hall, ensure that you have filled all the particulars in your answer sheet correctly. After that, plan to write the answer of any questions while you reading the question paper. And if you have completed your question paper before the time, so once revise it. I hope using these points you can obtain highest mark in your English paper. Thank you. All the best.